Yeah, this is Luna from China, and welcome to my living stream. Today I will introduce our product of the silicon manganese. Welcome, new friends. Welcome. Yeah, the video is our office. Yes, now we can see the video of our office and our meeting room. Our leader are speaking and we are meeting. Welcome. Yes, the video is our office, and today I want to share some product about our ferroalloy product. So thank you for your joining today. Thank you everyone. Thank you every friends joining our living stream. Yes, today I will introduce you some ferroalloy product. The product name is the silicon manganese. So if you are interested in the ferroalloy product, you can stay in my channel. Yeah, and you can tell and you can check the product details of the original of China. Yes, we can provide the product of the ferroalloy, which is China original. If you are interested in Chinese ferroalloy, maybe today's living stream is better for you. Yeah, thank you. Welcome the new friends. Yeah, welcome new friends. Yeah, and we from China, and today I will introduce you some product of the ferroalloy. Yeah, we are a professional ferroalloy producer in China. Yes. If you are also interested in Chinese ferroalloy, today's living room will better to catch your inquiry. Yes, today I will talk about the silicon manganese. If you are a steel factory or the foundry or trader or the other alloy buyer, and today's living stream is for you. Yes, thank you. Welcome, new friends. Welcome. Yeah, welcome to our new friends. Welcome. Yes, today I will introduce about the product of the silicon manganese. I will introduce what is the silicon manganese, and I also will introduce some different grades of the silicon manganese. And also if you are interested in the production line about the silicon manganese, and also you can learn from today's living stream. And I also will introduce some applications and the packing and the loading and the quality control and the shipping about the product. Yes, all this information and all this problem, maybe it is necessary and it is very important for your import. Yeah, it's very important for your import. So today's living room will help you to got the information and will help you to know the production line and the provide line about the ferroalloy product. Yes, welcome new friends. Welcome to our living stream. Yes, if you have any question, you can leave me a message and I will try my best to answer. Yeah, please also tell me which country you are from. Yeah, which country you are from. We export to a lot of country in the world. So nice to meet friends from all over the world. Yeah. Also, hope the Chinese file law is useful for your country and it's useful for your business in your country. Yes, you can type the question and type where are you from. Yes, you can type and you can leave message. Tell me where are you from. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, new friends. Welcome. Mm-hmm. Welcome. Yes, today's living stream will tell you and will introduce the silicon manganese. And okay, now let us begin. Okay, let's begin about the uh, introduce and the first question is what is the silicon manganese? Yeah, what is the silicon manganese? And the silicon manganese we also sometimes will called as the silicon manganese, and it is of the silicon manganese is the manganese and the silicon and the iron is the main content of the silicon manganese, and it may use for the steel making and also will use in the dioxidizer and the alloy activity another alloy additive. Yeah, it is very important in steel making and in the dioxidizer or other alloys additive. Yes, it's very important raw materials of the steel making. So if your country have the mile factory and if your factory needs the silicon manganese, maybe you can check about the Chinese product and you can check if it is necessary and check if it is okay for your product and if it is okay for your business. Yes, we are the manufacturer of the ferro. Yeah, you can know more information about the product in our factory, and we also can provide a professional uh, supply supply service for you. Yes, because we are a professional uh supplier in China. Yes, and it can about the silicon manganese in the steel making. Yes, it can remove the oxygen from the molten steel. Yes, it can help to remove the oxygen from the molten steel. It can also can improve the steel strength and many steel factory use the silicon manganese every day. Yeah, this is a very important raw material. So some the factory will use the silicon manganese every day. Yes, and the raw materials of the silicon manganese is the manganese ore or the coke or the quartz and after the high temperatures melting, we get the silicon manganese alloy, and the production usually look like a silver gray and the irregular lumps. Yes, it look like a silver green and the common size is about the 10 to 50 millimeter or the 10 to 8 millimeter, and sometimes some people will use the 3 to 10 millimeter or other customized size. Yes, if you also want to check which one is the which one is better for your use? Yes, you can choose and you can try to contact with us. Yes. If anyone want to know more about this product, if anyone want to know more about this product, yes, just now I introduced the use of the silicon manganese and also introduce the size of the silicon manganese. Yes. Yeah, some customer also need the powder. Yeah, the size can customize the yeah, size can customize and some customer the main export markets of our product is the Middle East, the Southeast Asia, the Europe, the South American, and the African. All these countries will use this product, yes, because it is a very popular raw materials in the factory of the steel making of the foundry factory. It is a very normal product and it is a very popular product in the production. Yes. Thank you. Welcome to our living stream. Yes, welcome to our living stream. This is Luna, and just now I introduced the silicon manganese product. Yeah, China is one of the biggest producer of this product. Uh, maybe you can try and you can get touch with us and we can provide this product from China for you. Yes. Yeah, thank you everyone in my living stream. Welcome new friends. Welcome new friends. Welcome. Yes, if you have any question, you can type the information. You can type the information in the message. Yeah, in the message. Welcome. Yes, welcome to my living stream. And today we introduce the product of the silicon manganese. Yeah, China is one of the biggest producer of this product in China, in the world. Yeah. Thank you for everyone for listening. If you are interested in the silicon manganese, please follow our living stream. Yes, you can follow our living stream. I can share and I can tell you more information about the silicon manganese. Yes. Welcome, new friends. Welcome. Are you interested in Chinese ferro? Are you interested in Chinese ferro? Yes, welcome. Just now I introduced the silicon manganese. Yeah. Sometimes maybe you also can hear the name of this product as the ferrosilicon manganese. Yeah, ferrosilicon manganese. Because the main content of this product is the manganese, silicon, and the iron. Yeah, it is a main content. So sometimes some people will call it as the ferrosilicon manganese. Yeah, some our customer will call it as this name. Yes. Yes, welcome to our new friends. Yes, about the specification and the grades about this product. Yeah, different customer needs the different grades. Yeah, the common grades of this product is the 65 and the 70. Yeah, 65 and 17. This content is about the manganese content is about the 65 5% millimeter, and the silicon content is about the 17 millimeter, and the carbon content usually is the 2% max. Yeah, 2% max. And also will have some specification about the philosopher and the sulfur. Yeah, if you are also interested in the product content details, you can tell me uh, which grade you need. Yeah, just now I introduced the first grade of the silicon manganese is 65 and 70, and we also have other grades about this product, such as the 60 14. Yeah, 60 14. Yeah, as the name, the manganese content of the 60 14, the manganese content is 60%. Yeah, 60% millimeter, and the silicon content is about 14% millimeter. And we also have other grades about this product, such as the 68 and 18, and also have others. If you also like this, you can stay in my living stream and you can know more about this product. Yes, welcome our new friends. Welcome to my living stream. Welcome. Welcome to my living stream. Welcome. Yes, and the customer also care about low philosophers and the low sulfur. And if you have any inquiry about the specification, you can tell me which specification is better for you. Yes, you can tell me this information. And also, and it's okay for you. Yes. Yes, welcome. Welcome to my living stream. Welcome. Mm-hmm. Yes, the natural size means no creasing. Yeah, if you need the natural size means no creasing, and some buyer want low fans, which means less powder. Yes, we also can provide this. And some customers usually request for the COA and the document of the TDS and the photos, video, and the loading photos. Yeah, all this is okay. Yeah, you can tell and you can leave the message with us. And COA means the certification. Yes, we can provide the samples and the inspection and the technical support. All this we can provide. So if you are interested in this product and want to get more documents about this product, you can contact with us. Yeah, we can help you to get this document, and you can get this. Yes, you can get the document from us. So you can let me know which size and which